Hey guys, welcome to Old School Bodybuilding. So today in this video I wanted to talk about how to develop the deltoids. And so this is kind of just a one-off trick that you can kind of use to try to improve your deltoid development. And I think supersets are one of the best things you can do to kind of maybe get out of a rut depending on your routine. But let me first say that deltoids can most definitely not be overdeveloped, the medial head, and nor can the rear head. And in fact, the most common problem in bodybuilders, or just trainees in general, is they overdevelop the frontal head from, a lot of presses. They do their chest presses wrong, and they have a very overdeveloped anterior head. And another problem I see is an overdevelopment of the trapezius. And if you want to build big deltoids, don't try to big traps. And when you're doing these exercises, the traps will try to bully the deltoids. So you got to be careful. So let's get right into the exercises. So the two exercises are going to be the standing lateral dumbbell raise along with the bent over dumbbell raise. And so they're going to go from one right into the next. Okay, so the first one, we're going to start standing with two dumbbells, and we're going to have knees bent, arms slightly bent. We're going to raise the dumbbells up to the side and rotate the thumbs down, and we're going to pretend like we're pouring water out at the top. And after we do that, we're going to keep a slow pace back and forth, back down to the side of your hips. And so after we perform 6 of those repetitions, we're going to go right into the bent over raises, where we bend at the waist and we perform 6 bent over raises where we rotate the thumbs down and we raise the dumbbells out just past our ears at the top. And we're going to try to create like an arc, so to speak, and really keep a smooth cadence with our rhythm. That's actually another problem I see with a lot of bodybuilders or people lifting at the gym these days, is there's no real rhythm to the movement, and we really want to keep tension on that muscle. And there's no exception here for these two exercises as well, is we want to keep that tension on the muscle at all time. And so after we perform 6 reps of the dumbbell lateral raises, we're going to perform 6 reps of the bent over raises for the rear head, and then we're going to rest 10 to 20 seconds depending on your level, and then we're going to have at it again. And we're trying to really force blood into that muscle and really force some stimulation. And so we're going to perform 6 rounds of this to complete the superset. So it's going to be pretty rough, guys, and get ready because it's killer. But this is very short and very intense, and that's what we want to do. And that's what Vince would suggest in all of his workouts, to try to compress as much work in as short a period of time as possible. So let me know what you guys think. Give this exercise, this superset, a try, and let me know in the comment section below. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks, guys.